The world of customer service is changing at a breathtaking pace. For years, experts talked about a future where artificial intelligence would play a bigger role, but that future arrived much faster than anyone predicted. The slow, clunky chatbots of the past are gone. In their place are sophisticated AI systems that can understand and respond to customers in ways that feel almost human. This rapid acceleration is not just a small step forward, it is a giant leap. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in how businesses interact with the people they serve, a change driven by powerful new technologies that are becoming smarter every single day. This transformation is reshaping an entire industry. What caused this sudden acceleration? The key is the rise of generative AI and large language models, or LLMs. These are the same technologies that power tools like chatgpt. They allow AI to do more than just follow a script. Now, AI can understand context, generate creative and helpful responses, and learn from its interactions. This breakthrough has supercharged the capabilities of customer service AI. It moved them from being simple FAQ bots to becoming dynamic problem solvers. Companies quickly saw the potential. They realized these advanced systems could handle a huge volume of inquiries with incredible efficiency, leading to a massive and rapid investment in this new technology. This rapid adoption has caught many by surprise. Predictions made just a few years ago now seem outdated. Analysts once spoke of a gradual transition over a decade. Instead, we are seeing a revolution happening in a matter of months. Companies that were only experimenting with AI are now making it a core part of their customer service strategy. The pressure to keep up is immense. Businesses that fail to adapt risk being left behind, unable to offer the instant, 24/7 support that customers are beginning to expect as the new standard. This is no longer a question of if AI will dominate customer service, but how quickly it will happen. The implications of this speed are profound. It means that the timeline for workforce changes has also been pushed forward. The discussion about reskilling and upskilling customer service agents is no longer a topic for the future. It is an urgent need for today. December 11th, 2025. Workers in the industry are facing a new reality where their roles are being redefined by their AI colleagues. The challenge for businesses is not just implementing the technology itself. It is also about managing the human side of this transition, ensuring that their workforce is prepared for a new era of collaboration between people and intelligent machines, a future that is arriving faster than we ever imagined. Today's AI customer service agents possess capabilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. One of their most significant advantages is their ability to multitask on a massive scale. While a human agent can typically handle only one or two chats at a time, a single AI system can manage thousands of conversations simultaneously. It does this without any drop in quality or speed. This incredible scalability means that customers no longer have to wait in long queues for support. They can get instant answers, day or night, which dramatically improves the customer experience and boosts overall satisfaction for everyone involved in the process. Another superpower is the AI's ability to break down language barriers instantly. In our globalized world, businesses serve customers from many different countries. An AI agent can communicate fluently in dozens of languages, translating questions and answers in real time. A customer in Japan can type a question in Japanese, and the AI can understand it and respond perfectly without needing a human translator. This opens up global markets for even small businesses, allowing them to provide seamless support to a worldwide audience. It is a level of accessibility that would be incredibly expensive and complex to achieve with a purely human workforce. Beyond language, modern AI has developed a keen sense of emotional intelligence. By analyzing the words a customer uses, their tone, and even the speed of their typing, the AI can detect frustration, anger, or happiness. This is called sentiment analysis. If the AI detects that a customer is becoming upset, it can adjust its tone to be more empathetic. It can even escalate the conversation to a human agent who is specially trained to handle difficult situations. This ability to understand and react to human emotions makes the interaction feel more personal and less robotic, helping to build stronger customer relationships. Finally, AI excels at personalization. It can access a customer's entire history with the company in a fraction of a second. This includes past purchases, previous support tickets, and browsing behavior. Using this data, the AI can provide highly relevant and tailored solutions. For example, if you are asking for help with a specific product, the AI already knows which model you own and when you bought it. It can offer proactive advice, suggest relevant accessories, or guide you through troubleshooting steps specific to your device. This level of personalized service makes the customer feel understood and valued by the brand. The evidence for this AI-driven shift is all around us, especially among the world's leading companies. In the retail sector, giants like Amazon have integrated AI deeply into their customer service operations. Their systems handle a vast number of routine inquiries, such as tracking packages, processing returns, and answering questions about product details. This frees up their human agents to focus on more complex and nuanced customer issues that require a human touch. The result is a more efficient system where simple problems are solved instantly by AI, and challenging problems receive dedicated attention from skilled human experts, improving the overall flow. In the banking industry, financial institutions like Bank of America are leveraging AI to transform how they serve their millions of customers. Their AI-powered virtual assistant, Erica, can handle a wide range of tasks, from checking account balances and transferring funds to providing spending analysis and financial advice. Recent data shows that such assistants are handling an ever-increasing percentage of customer interactions. Some reports indicate that up to 70% of customer support inquiries in certain sectors are now being fully resolved by AI without any human intervention. This shift allows banks to offer 24/7 support while also reducing operational costs significantly. Tech companies themselves are unsurprisingly at the forefront of this trend. A major software corporation recently reported that its new generation of AI support agents is resolving customer issues with a success rate comparable to its top-performing human agents. These AI systems are not just answering simple questions, they are guiding users through complex software troubleshooting steps. The data is clear: the volume of support tickets being closed by AI is growing exponentially. Experts following these trends suggest that we are on the cusp of a major tipping point, where the majority of all customer interactions will soon be handled by AI. This move is not just about cutting costs. It is about meeting new customer expectations. Today's consumers demand immediate responses and resolutions. They are not willing to wait on hold or send an email and hope for a reply within 24 hours. Companies are finding that AI is the only way to meet this demand for instant gratification at scale. The latest figures show that businesses using advanced AI see a significant increase in customer satisfaction scores. This positive feedback loop is driving even faster adoption, as companies race to deploy the best AI tools to gain a competitive edge in their respective markets. Looking ahead to the rest of 2025 and beyond, experts predict that AI's capabilities will continue to grow at an explosive rate. We can expect AI agents to become even more proactive. Instead of just waiting for a customer to report a problem, AI will be able to predict potential issues and reach out with a solution before the customer even notices something is wrong. For example, an e-commerce AI might detect that a customer's package is delayed and automatically send them an update and a discount on their next purchase. This proactive approach will redefine what it means to provide excellent customer service. This raises a critical question: what will happen to the millions of people currently employed in customer service jobs? The fear is that AI will lead to mass unemployment in the sector. While it is true that many traditional roles focused on repetitive tasks will likely be automated, it does not necessarily mean the end of human jobs. Instead, the role of the human customer service agent is set to evolve. Humans will move into more specialized roles, becoming AI supervisors or empathy experts who handle the most complex, sensitive, and high-value customer interactions that require genuine human connection and creative problem-solving. The future of customer service is not a battle of humans versus machines. It is likely to be a collaborative partnership. AI will handle the high volume of routine tasks, freeing up human agents to build deeper relationships with customers. Imagine a scenario where an AI handles the initial diagnosis of a problem, gathers all the necessary data, and then seamlessly transfers the conversation to a human expert who has all the context needed to provide a brilliant solution. This human AI team could deliver a level of service that is faster, smarter, and more empathetic than either could achieve alone. Ultimately, This transition presents both challenges and opportunities. For workers, the key will be continuous learning and adaptation. They will need to develop new skills in areas like data analysis, AI management, and advanced communication. For customers, the future promises a world of faster, more personalized, and constantly available support. The end of the traditional customer service job as we know it may be near, but it's likely to be replaced by a new, more dynamic and more rewarding role for humans working alongside their incredibly powerful AI partners, creating a better experience for everyone.